How you doing? Oh no, you didn't. You didn't rub me at all. Well, you're on my video now. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. Sorry, you're not on my video. No. You might not really get it all. The timing. Oh my gosh. We're at Winterfest, Kingsdominion. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty magical. I'm loving it so much. Oh, so incredible. So we're gonna do a couple things. I've never been here before. This is my first time going to the Winterfest thing, and I'm pretty impressed already.
Boys and girls,
Was it announcement?
Welcomes you to Winterfest.
Oh, thanks, Kingsdominion.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh.
Already impressed with this sign. Oh, Santa's on his sleigh. Oh, look at the lighting. I love simple lighting. Just like so good. And even the music.
This is Santa Claus's place. It's bells.
Ooh, I'm sold. Oh, and giant ice skating ring. Oh my gosh, the ice skating ring is so big. The reindeer. It is. That's what I said. I was like, my childhood is coming back to life for some reason right now. You guys, this place is pretty magical. I think it's the sounds and the music itself. I think that's what's going on. This guy's a legend. Go follow them. Please go follow them. They're really great at capturing a lot of the people in the parks. So if you definitely want to see some great photos of the parks updated pretty regularly, go follow them. Oh, this whole time, this is the place.
She'll be here any minute.
Oh, Miss Claus.
Finish it up, feeding Rudolph.
Wow. Oh, there's two of you guys. What are you guys? What are you guys?
Belsnickles.
Oh, Festnickels? Belsnickels.
Yes.
Okay. I love it. Miss Claus. If I wasn't freezing, I would definitely do that. All these little cool shops on the side. Are these must be just local vendors then? Oh, that's fun. Oh, they have the trees done up. It's Tinker's Toy Factory. Should be pretty fun. Thanks, Dave. Okay, that was pretty great. That was fun. It really was. It was nice. It almost felt like a hint of hairspray, like in it, but it was really great. The singers did really well. I wish the volume was turned up just a little bit higher.
A little higher,
yeah, a little higher.
Especially if the dude that hit Elf.
Yeah. But other than that, it was great. Okay, next we're gonna go to see what else they have to offer. These trees are pretty cool. Oh wow, I do like the Christmas stuff. Okay, let's look over here. What's in this area? St. Nick's Pics. Oh, it's just a picture place. It's like a cool little... The bear looks a little creepy. Let's just get some pictures there. That's fun. Oh, this is pretty nice. Okay, the back of the park is kind of interesting. Oh, what is this area? Wow, look at the trees. They're candy cane trees. Oh, this is a cool little s'more area, I'm guessing. Okay, this is a cool area. It's funny because I get so distracted as I'm like going through this whole area because there's so many different lights and cool stuff to see. So it's just, I'm everywhere. Oh no, I don't hear Twisted Timber going. Darn it, I really want to go on it now. I will say if I get to go on Hurler, or just dang it, if I get to go on Twisted Timbers, it's gonna be a cold ride, like cold ride. Oh, we have the North Pole Post Office. Oh, so you just write letters? Oh!
Send it off to the North Pole.
Oh, that's fun. Is that free? Or is it just
It
like?
is free.
Oh, okay. Can I just go in there for a second just to look around? Thank you. Wow. Hello. How's it going?
How are you doing?
Doing good. This is cool. This is so cool. Yeah. How long does it take to get there? The mail.
It goes straight
Straight to Oh, from here all the way. Oh, nice. Okay, that's cool. Oh, thank you guys so much. This is awesome. That's like a really cool feature. That's something really fun. Definitely would take advantage of that. I was tempted to do it, but I just didn't do it. Oh, you can see the Eiffel Tower in the Christmas tree version. I think it's open. I think I'm gonna ride it and just go for it. Well, it's freezing cold. Zapple's also open, which is fun. I do like how they have nice little heater for people. I'm so glad you have that.
bags.
Sorry, no bags.
Riding.
Yes. I swallowed the snow, the artificial snow in the show. And it I feel it in the back of my throat. Hopefully I will be okay. Hopefully. This is also the first time that I've ridden this ride at night. So I wonder what night ride will be on this one for. I will be joining up with BCS in a few. I gotta find them because I really want to see the show a little bit. They're here tonight, which should be pretty fun. It's actually pretty quiet back here. It's kind of eerie. Well, guys, I gotta put my phone away and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Man, such a great ride. Honestly, I wish that Invader was replaced with something like this, or they would build something like this, because this is such like a compact ride, but such a good punch. And Invader is a wooden coaster, so it's not bad. It's not terrible. I just wish that there was something like this, you know? I would have been so excited. But also, they're a family theme park, so I'm not hating on that. But man, just such a goodie. Let's go, BCS. Let's go. This is literally the scariest moment, is when I'm just like, will I make it? Will I not make it? Oh my gosh. But the theming in this area, usually I don't have my phone with me because I'm riding, but the theming for Twisted Timbers is actually pretty nice. I mean, it's just simple, but it works out really well. Okay, we're gonna ride Zapple. I have not ridden this ride since I left. This looks like this is gonna be a ride that's gonna be somewhat painful. How is it intense or is it like super chill?
Chill.
Okay.
Chill.
Oh,
My favorite. Wow.
dang. This is the line of greatness. These rides used to freak me out as a kid. Oh, well, it still does its thing now. Don't get it twisted. It's still a movie. No, they used to freak me out because I felt like I was like, oh, I get thrown off. It was great. I mean, now I'm like a whole different. I'm a little nervous. I'm wondering if I'm gonna fit on this one because this is an oldie, but a goodie. I've been on it before, but just it's been forever. These used to actually freak me out when I was growing up, but now they're okay. They're just a little crazy, so we'll see what happens. You guys look so cold. You're so bundled up. I made it. It's a really smooth coaster. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to hurt my back at all. There's some jumpy moments, but yeah, it was fun. It was definitely really cool. I used to be scared of that as a kid. My mom would always ride this ride and she'd be okay with it, but for me, I'm like, this is scarier than the other ones. But I made it, we passed. It's a good ride. How was that?
Oh man, it was intense. It was intense to be this ride.
It'd be this cold.
Yeah, it's the cold that did it.
Look what you've done. Oh, my Santa. Oh.
This is way too loud.
Oh, this is fun. You hear that, you guys? Oh, hi, Santa. We just met your cousin. Look at this. This is so cool. Great job, Kingsdominion. Great job. And we have a nice little frozen area. I always say frozen, but that stinks. It's not to say that, but a little penguin area. Oh, this is fun. You see the giant Christmas tree in the background. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Jack Frost. Like, what are these things? Remember 1975? What is this? Can anybody tell me in the comments below what this is? I'm so confused. Wow. That's just humongous. Snow angel. Oh, it's snowing, guys. Wow. Okay, this area is kind of cool. Overwhelming yet cool. I'm impressed with this ice skating rink. Like, I really feel like this would be the best ice skating rink that I've seen in Virginia so far. Like, honestly, it just looks great. The trees around it look great. Skate times available.
9, 7, and 9.
There you go. Oh, 20 bucks for 90 minutes is not bad. I figured it would be a lot more. Oh, drum show. Woo!
Santa Claus, you must have been old Santa Claus. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, happy ho 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 to you. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, you must have been old Santa Claus. Happy holidays, everyone.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Holy giant snowman. I think it's huge. Oh, look at that, no line. This is perfect. Bring on the cold every time if it's like this. Like I said, incredible ride. I love Dominator. I really love this ride, but I've never done it at this cold of a temperature. Let me check the temperature. Guys, it is 37 degrees. This is the coldest I've ever been on a roller coaster. Man, it packs a punch. It's definitely an incredible ride. I love it. It is actually tempting to almost want to do it again. Okay, yeah, the ride is crazy. Bro, we rode the last one. We basically rode the last one. Let's go! Let's go! Perfect timing! Oh my gosh. Small victory, yes. Good timing. Good timing. Yes.
Watch out for BCS. We know how to shut it down.
Wow, let's go. Yeah, it was freezing. My cheeks, I was like, ooh, I was going to frostbite. This is actually a pretty nice cup. I kind of like it. You're like, I will never let it go. So something I'm trying to kind of comprehend, I guess it's actually somewhat small as far as compared to Busch Gardens is one. But it still has some charm to it. So it's not a bad like Christmas kind of feel. Like I think it's a lot of fun. I think the price is not as expensive as Busch Gardens, because I heard Busch Gardens is like $90. I'll double check and see if that actually is how much it costs. Like here, I think I saw something we can get for like $30-something. So not bad. And the fact that they keep the main roller coasters open, like really big ones, is actually pretty cool. Now Intimidator, 305, but now Panthera. I don't like that name because it's just so close to Pantheon. But I kind of wonder like what were the other name choices or the potentials for that. But when it comes down to it, like it's a pretty decent price for what you're getting. So pretty fun, pretty fun. The igloos are definitely a must if you are here when it's freezing cold. But a really good deal. This one's great because it goes all the way over and upside down. The problem with this one for me is definitely the blood rushing to your head when you're riding it. Guys, seriously, this is just so magical.
If you think that it's good, you better be good for goodness sake.
Oh, gingerbread outfits. You guys look amazing. So much fun. Okay, everybody. So we're pretty much done for today. It was amazing. It was incredible. Like, I really like it. I think there's ups and downs of each side. So the upside is I feel like a lot of the big rides that they are open. Like we rode a really amazing amount of them today. Whereas I feel like Busch Gardens does all their smaller ones, and so that was pretty great. And then the lights. There's some areas where the lights are really cool, and then some areas where it feels like Griswold's Clark's Christmas, or Griswold kind of thing, where the lights are like everywhere. But it's still not bad. The ice skating ring is a nice touch. Like, it looks incredible. The music choice while you're walking around the park is really magical. Yeah, like it's something. Would I come back here again this year? If some other people are going, then maybe. But just by myself, probably not. Because it's about a 2-hour drive. However, I'm impressed. So it was definitely a good time. So thanks for joining in. Like, subscribe, and then we'll do some more stuff coming up. Thanks for watching all the way through. And here are some other videos that you can check out while you're here. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next adventure.